Hari Om. Do these warm-ups and stretches for healthy fertility and healthy baby. To conceive easily, the body needs stable thyroid hormones, balanced estrogen and progesterone, healthy insulin level, and control cortisol level. It helps to reduce stress. For women, they have to be regular periods, good follicle development, proper uterine lining. For men, good sperm count, healthy motility and morphology. These warm-ups and asanas are highly helpful to increase your pelvis muscle strength and gain more energy on your reproductive organs. Do butterfly, Purna Titli, shaking and rolling. Then do Baddha Konasana. Give good extension on your spine and give good stretch to your pelvis. And move to the twisting. Open your feet and stretch right and left. Feel the stretch on your hip. Practice this for 10 rounds. Inhale, exhale, twisting. Inhale, exhale, twist. Inhale, exhale, twist. Do the same with more intention. Bend forward. Inhale and exhale, bend forward. You can hold in this posture for some more time to feel the stretch. Inhale, come back. Exhale, twist and bend forward. Continue this for 5 to 10 rounds each side. Combine your breathing and the movement. Always feel the stretch while moving your body or holding your posture. Let's move to the squat, Malasana, and slowly bring your elbow to the ground. This gives very good opening for your cervix and uterus. Inhale, open your arms and exhale, come back. Inhale, this gives very good twist and help to give good digestion. Inhale and exhale. Do this for 3 to 5 rounds. Let's move to the Vayu Nishkasana. Hold your big toe with your fingers. Inhale, look up. Exhale, bend forward and try to stretch your body more and more. Extend your spine. Feel the stretch on your whole hamstrings and glutes area. By doing squat, it gives very good energy for your ovaries and fallopian tube. It helps to release blockages from your fallopian tubes. It helps to strengthen your ovary. Continue this for 5 to 8 rounds with slow movement. Relax completely. Let's move to the sitting pigeon and give good hip flexion. Feel the stretch. This helps to release all the stress and stored emotions from our Swadhisthana chakra. That helps to increase joy and relaxation You can hold in this pose for sometimes 30 seconds or so. Now slowly release. Extend your leg and relax yourself. Try to take deep inhalation and exhalation while doing each and every stretch. Move to the Chakki Chalasana, grinding pose. This helps to strengthen your uterus and cervix muscles. Also, it helps to strengthening your uterus. It helps to reverse your PCOD or PCOS. Move to the side stretch. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, bend. Inhale, feel the stretch on your lateral area. This gives very good relaxation to your hip and your waist. That helps to release the cortisol level on your lower body. Continue this for 5 to 10 counts each. You can hold in that particular pose for 30 seconds or so. Let's move to the forward Ugrasana. Keep your both elbow, extend your spine and feel the relaxed stretch. Keep breathing. Imagine that you're feeling the breath movement on your pelvis area. That helps to give more energy flow on your reproductive organs. Let's finish with butterfly and relax. Release your body by doing Shavasana. If you are trying for a baby, please practice this every day, morning and evening. This helps to give natural, healthy fertility for men and women. Hari Om.